Aho. Nag-iintay siya i-feed mo siya kasi may hawak ka.
It's a girl or a boy?
I don't know.
I think it's a girl. She has a boobs.
Yeah. It's a girl, merong boobs oh.
Merong boobs.
Yun sa ilalim oh.
Wait, yan. Kinakain ng ano. Huwag mo itapon. Hindi mo yan kainin. No? You eat.
Tignan mo yung look niya.
It's weird.
Oh, I think it's not weird.
Hey!
Look at
Want
her.
this?
Look at her knee. She's a girl. Look.
Parang pregnant. Laki ng tiyan eh.
Ano dyan niya?
Kaya siguro nakaseparate.
Yo!
Look at the mouth.
Papa.
Parang buntis kasi siya, oh.
Kaya siguro nakaseparate.